Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, everyone, this is Ad-Darsul Rabi' lesson 4. This lesson 4 will be learning about preposition and asking where, like using the word where in Arabic, which means aina. Preposition, we call them huruf al-jarri, and asking where in Arabic, we use aina. Now, here we'll be learning how to say fee. The word fee is one part of the preposition. We call it huruf al-jar. We have fee in, ala on. Everyone should be repeating it while you watch this video. Min, from, ila, to. Then we have some vocabulary with preposition, like we add preposition to some vocabulary. We've learned al-bayt before, we've learned al-masjid before, we've learned al-maktab before, we've learned al-sarir before. Now we add fi means in. Then we say fil bayti, in the house. Fil masjidi, in the mosque. Ala al-maktabi, on the desk. Ala sariri, on the bed. Everyone should be repeating it while we say it. That's why I put the transliteration also here. Now we have asking about location. When you want to ask where from people, how can you ask? In Arabic, we use the word aina for asking where. Then you say aina Muhammad. Where is Muhammad? Huwa fil ghurfati. He is in the room. That's the answer to the question. Aina Yasir. Where is Yasir? Huwa fil hammam. He is in the bathroom. Aina Aminatu. Where is Amina? Hiya fil matubakhi. She is in the kitchen. You should note this. We are here to take al hammam, al ghurfa, al matbakh. Al ghurfa means room. Al hammam means bathroom. And al matubakh means kitchen. Then we have asking about things. How to ask about things. Said Aina al-kitab. Where is the book? Huwa ala al-maktabi. It is on the desk. Aina as-sa'atu. Where is the clock? Hiya ala as-sarir. It is on the bed. Now more preposition with min and ila. We've seen fi and we've seen ala. Now here we want to learn about the preposition min and ila. Min means from, ila means to. Now you can see said minal bayti. We already have baytu as a word. Then we add the preposition min to it. It becomes minal bayti, from the house. Then we have ilal masjidi, to the mosque. You can see min, from, ila, to. Now let's see like a dialogue or conversation between two persons. We have Al-Mudarris and Muhammad. Min aina anta? Where are you from? Ana min al-Yaban. I am from Japan. Wa min aina Ammar? Where is Ammar from? Huwa min as-Sin. He is from China. Aina Abbas? Where is Abbas? You see, this one is different from the question he has been asking. This one here, he said Aina Abbas. Where is Abbas? He did not say Min Aina Abbas. Where is Abbas from? You can see it is different. When you add min to it, it's different from when you do it has no min. Now we have Aina Abbas. Where is Abbas? Khoroja. He went out. Aina Dhahaba. Where did he went to? Dhahaba ilal mudir. He went to the principal. You know that min means from, ila means to. Now these are some new vocabulary that we are yet to learn. These are new ones. We have al-ghurfatu, the room. Al-hammam, the bathroom. Al-matubakh, the kitchen. Al-mirhad, the toilet. Al-madrasatu, the school. Al-jami'atu, the university. As-suqu, the market. Al-yaban, Japan. As-sin, China. Al-hind, India. Al-philippine, Philippines. Al-mudir, the principal. Kharaja, he went out. Dhahaba, he went. Now, this is the summary of the preposition. We have fi means in, ala on, min from, ila to. Now you can practice this. You practice this in class also. I'll be asking Aina al-kitabu. You answer with preposition. Huwa ala al-maktabi. Min aina anta. Where are you from? Ana min Nigeria. I am from Nigeria. Aina Ali. Where is Ali? Huwa fil fasl. He is in the classroom. And lastly, we said we use aina to ask where. Ala or fi for place. Min or ila for direction. You can see it said fi in. Ala on, like a place. Min, it means from. Ila to, for direction. So this is the end of the class. Everyone, you practice the aina and you should practice the preposition also. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم.